think your money is safe in the bank? Think again. With rising inflation and low interest rates, your cash might be losing value every day. In this video, I'll show you 6 assets that are better and safer than keeping your money in the bank. But before we dive in, make sure to check out the video description below after watching. I've included some valuable resources to help you continue your journey towards financial security and growth. Let's get started. Let's start with the issues of keeping cash in the bank. First, we have inflation. Inflation erodes the purchasing power of your money. That means $100 today won't buy you the same amount of goods and services next year. Secondly, most savings accounts offer very low interest rates, often below the inflation rate, which means your money is actually losing value. Lastly, banks can charge various fees that eat into your savings. The first asset on our list is real estate. Real estate is a tangible asset that tends to appreciate over time. Whether it's residential, commercial, or rental properties, investing in real estate can provide you with a steady income through rent and potential capital gains. Plus, real estate is less volatile compared to stocks and offers a hedge against inflation. Next, we have precious metals like gold and silver. These have been trusted stores of value for centuries. Precious metals are a great hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. While they don't generate income, their value tends to increase during market downturns, providing a safe haven for your wealth. Stocks and equities represent ownership in companies. By investing in stocks, you can benefit from the growth and profits of businesses. While stocks are more volatile than some other assets, they offer higher potential returns over the long term. Diversifying your stock portfolio can mitigate risks and maximize gains. Bonds are another safer alternative to cash. When you buy a bond, you're essentially lending money to a government or corporation in exchange for regular interest payments. Bonds are generally less risky than stocks and provide a steady income stream, making them a good option for preserving capital and earning a reliable return. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have gained popularity as digital assets. They offer high potential returns, but come with increased volatility and risk. Cryptos can diversify your investment portfolio and serve as a hedge against traditional financial system failures. However, it's crucial to do thorough research and understand the risks before investing. Lastly, we have peer-to-peer lending. This involves lending money directly to individuals or small businesses through online platforms. In return, you earn interest on your loans, often at higher rates than traditional savings accounts. Peer-to-peer lending allows you to support others while earning a better return on your money. So, there you have it, 6 assets that are better and safer than keeping your cash in the bank. Diversifying your investments can protect your wealth and help it grow over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. Also, make sure to check out the video description below. I've included some valuable resources to help you continue your journey towards financial security and growth. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.